In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass emails in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to send a single email to many leads at once, directly from your CRM, in a way that's fast, organized, and easy to repeat. First, open your Zoho CRM account in your browser and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the module bar, usually at the top or on the left side of your screen. From there, click on the Leads module. This is where you'll be sending your mass email from, and it ensures that you're targeting people who are still in the lead stage of your pipeline. When you're inside the leads list view, you'll see a toolbar with several icons and options. On the right-hand side of that toolbar, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on these three dots to reveal additional actions that aren't displayed by default. In that expanded menu, you'll see an option labeled Mass Email. Go ahead and click on Mass Email. This takes you to the Mass Email Management area for the Leads module, where you can review previous campaigns or set up a new one. To create a new email, click on Create Mass Email. This will open a configuration page where you'll define all the details of the email you're about to send. Take your time here, because this is where you set up the core of your message. On the Details page, start by choosing the recipients. Typically, you can select a specific view or filter of leads, such as All Open Leads, or a custom view you've created. Make sure the view you select only includes people who should receive this message, and that their email addresses are valid. Next, add your email subject line. Keep it clear and relevant so recipients immediately understand what the email is about. Then,